Hello, hello students. Today we will learn mathematical expressions. What is meant by mathematical expressions? See, an arrangement, an arrangement of numbers expressed using the signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division is called a mathematical expressions. Rules for simplifying and expressions. How to solve? There are some rules. If more than one operation is to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried out first in the order in which they occur from left to right. Okay, then second rule, after that addition and subtraction are carried out in order in which they occur from left to right. Third rule is, if there are more than one operation in the bracket, follow the above two rules while carrying out the operations. Let's evaluate some example. Now, one example is given: 14 into 10 divided by 5 plus 17. Then we have to evaluate from left to right. That is, in order, first we have to multiply 14 into 10, 400 divided by 5 plus 17. Then we have to do division. 400 divided by 5, 5 8s are 14, 0 plus 17, and answer will be 97. Okay, then we will solve second example. I will write second example, that is C. In this example we have their multiplication, division and addition, but that from above rule we have to solve from left to right, that is first multiplication, then after division, and then after addition, and from that we have to solve this. Next one example I will write. See this example: 15 into 5 15 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Okay, see, we have to do first. What you will do? First we have to add from left to right, then we have to multiply, that is 15 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 0 write down, 250 divided by 2 plus 24. Then after we have to divide 250 divided by 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 1 remain, 10, 2 5s are 10 plus 24. Addition, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 and 2, 4 and 1. Your answer is 149. Okay, then write down third example. Here I will write third example. 13 into 4 bracket complete divided by 2 minus 26. In this expression, here bracket, multiplication, division and subtraction. But we have to do as a rule, that is, first solve this bracket. 13 4s are 52 divided by 2 minus 26. Then we have to division. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12 minus 26. Answer will be 26 minus 26, 0. Okay. The next example, fourth example. Three upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 4 upon 6. We have to multiply left to right, but we have to do this division first. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. See, three upon 5 plus 3 6 and 8 4 are 32. Five into 32, 3 into 32, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 plus 18 is equal to 7 8 14, 6 4 18, 1 1 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 16. Then we have to like this. संक्षिप्त रूप तुम्ही देऊ शकता याला. 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are and 2 8s are like this. Okay. Now we have to solve practice set 25. Okay. In this way we have to solve this expression. See this first example. In this example there is multiplication, division and addition, but from left to right we have to do action, that is multiplication, then after division, then addition. Okay. In this second example, addition, multiplication, division and addition. First we have to do multiplication, then division and then addition. Here some numbers are given, that is 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 1 divided by 4 upon 6. First we have to do this and addition, division, that is multiply, numerator denominator will become to numerator and numerator goes to denominator. Okay. And from this we have to do addition. Example, we have solved and answer will be 57.5 57 upon 80. Okay, thank you. Like this we have to solve. Here see this 13 into 4 divided by 2 minus 26. We have solved this bracket first, then after division, and then after subtraction. 26 minus 26, 0. Okay. Thank you students. We have to solve practice set 25, and here lesson number 5 is completed.